One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words.
Hey friends, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, my name is Trina. On this channel, you will see DIY, home decor, lifestyle, shopping. If you like that type of content and subscribing, I would love to have you. And to all my returning friends, hey y'all. In today's video, I'm going to be updating the closet with this peel and stick towel that I purchased from Home Depot. I'm going to remove the clothes from the closet and I'm going to take up the carpet. If you want to see how everything turns out, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications, and be so kind to watch this video to the end. This video inspires you in a positive way, but keep in mind this is a DIY. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and don't forget about the giveaway. With that being said, let's get into the video.
Loud. Simple people acting so proud, proud. I hear them talking about us. Yeah. I can hear them thinking out loud. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue. Hey.
Y'all, so I took out mostly everything. The stuff I will move out of the closet as I clean. My last video titled Budget Friendly Small Closet Makeover. Leave a link in the description just in case you haven't seen that video. But someone commented and they asked me if the bookshelves were sturdy. And yes, they are, because I nailed them to the wall. And I also nailed the rod to the bookcase and to the wall. So they are very sturdy and they are holding up pretty good. It's very sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. And I built this about 9 months ago. Now that I have everything out of the closet, I'm ready to remove the carpet using this utility knife that I got from Home Depot.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't in, but it's too late.
I decided not to pull up this padding because it's just too much work to pull up this padding, because I would have to scrub that floor and it's just too much right now. This is just a temporary fix until I can do something better. I just need more time to do it. So this is the disclaimer that I'm offering you guys, because when you see what I'm about to do, I'm not necessarily telling you that this is the right way, but this is my way for now. As long as I'm satisfied, that's good enough for me. All that being said, I still hope that this video gives you some inspiration. Pulling up at Dollar Tree. They got Christmas stuff out already. I know y'all don't want me to get hurt. Alright, so they got the poster board. I'm gonna get 8 of these. I think one will be enough. Alright, y'all, so I'm back from Dollar Tree and I picked up 6 poster boards. I hope it's enough. If not, I'll just go back and get more. But I picked up this heavy duty tape. So now I'm going to create the subfloor.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking.
Okay, so y'all can see I cut the poster board. Cut. I'm gonna put some tape right here, and then I'm gonna take this and put up here. I'm gonna cut it the right length, and you'll see how I do it.
But I know that when I get home, I'll check on my phone to see what you want, see what you wrote, cause I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking how it's done now. But I guess I'll never be.
Y'all, I'm not measuring. I'm just putting it down and cutting it to size. This is what a DIY, and I'm just, as long as it does the job for me, that's all that matters. But again, I'm sharing this with y'all because I wanted y'all to see, because to me it came out just right and it got the job done for now.
Been a couple years, thought that I'd be healing now. I really didn't think I'd have to feel this now. Oh, like I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by.
Alright, y'all, so I got the subfloor in. I'm gonna work on this side, and once I get this side done, I'm gonna come up to this side.
Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you, no matter what we go through. Keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes ago when